Today we have April's beauty boxes. If you are new to my channel, I do 3 beauty boxes every month. I have the Allure Beauty Box, Eyescream Beauty, and Boxy Charm by Ipsy. I list the prices on the screen, I tell you the products, I list the prices as well of the products. Only one box do I have that does not have all full sizes, and that is the Allure. I put the price of the full size on the screen and let you know whether I have a full size or a deluxe sample size. First box we have here is the Allure Beauty Box. Of course, with this being a fashion magazine, it tends to be more high-end products. So let's see. This is the inside of the box. It always comes with this pamphlet. The pamphlet always has the items listed as well as a brief description of it and the prices. First thing we have here is YSL Candy Glaze Lip Gloss Stick in Nude Pleasure. This retails for $42 and this is a full size, so this go ahead and pays for the whole box. And yes, I'm excited about this. They usually have decent lip products, so let's see. This is what it looks like. Okay, so this is the color. It looks kind of like a brownish red color. Let's swatch it on the skin. This is what it looks like. So it is kind of a rust brick color. It is very pretty. It is more on the sheer side. I just kind of swatched it there so you can see it, but it is sheer. And it is very pretty. This is Rodale Vita C Papaya Enzyme Scrub, and this retails for $50. Now, I have gotten this before. I have used it before. I absolutely love it. Definitely going to be using this again. I don't really have any complaints about it at all. This is Sasha Jean Styling Cream. This retails for $39. This is supposed to help define waves and curls. Now, I've had my hair straight for a while. Eventually, I'm going to have curls again, so I may eventually give this a try, but right now, I can't use it. So, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it. I may keep it. I may pass it along. I'll see. Next thing we have is Beauty for Certain Playa to Palazza Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $39. I have used this brand's lip products before, but I have never used their eyeshadow, so I'm probably going to try it because I actually want to see what their eye products are like. But the colors themselves are not unique to my collection at all, and I will show you that. This is what the palette looks like out of the box. These are the colors. They are nice and neutral and pretty, but let's swatch them and see what they look like on my pale skin. Okay, so I did swatch all 5 colors, but you can barely see these 2 because they almost match my skin tone. But they did swatch beautifully. I didn't have to wipe my finger twice for it to show up this prominently. I will give it a try and see how it looks. Like I said, it's nothing special as far as the color. It is nice and neutral, good everyday colors. So I'll give it a try. This is Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Toner. This is a sample size. The full size retails for $27. I actually really like this brand. I don't think that I've ever tried their toner before, but I love toners. They do so much for the skin. They really help balance your oils and pH and all that stuff. So I will give this a try. This is Innisfree Cherry Blossom Glow Jelly Cream. This is the deluxe sample size at 15 milliliters. The full size is $50 at $28. This is the container. I generally love anything like this. They're very hydrating and feels great for the skin. We are moving on to Eyescream Beauty. Now this box focuses on independent beauty brands, which I love to support, so I'm always excited about this one. I'm excited about all of them because it's like a present to myself every month, but this is what the inside looks like. It always comes with a sheet here, and it gives you the items and the prices and a brief description. The first thing we got here is Bunny Love Palette by Sugar Drizzle Cosmetics, and this retails for $40. So it does have a highlight and 2 blushes in it and some eyeshadow. So let's see what the colors look like. I'm undecided if I'm going to keep it until I look at the colors. Okay, so the palette itself looks exactly like the box did, and these are the colors. This is really pretty, but I don't think I'm going to keep it because I have these colors already in several palettes. I'm tempted to keep it because I think it's that cute, and I kind of want to keep it just because it's cute, but I think that's a waste of product, so I'm going to pass this along. This is Blush Sorbet by Estate Cosmetics, and this retails for $15. Now, I've had some stuff by this brand before. It is a very affordable brand, but it performs very well. As I was expecting this to be more orange than this. It is orange, but it's like it's a soft orange with a little bit more brown in it. I am going to keep this. I'm gonna swatch it and see what it looks like on my skin. So that is it swatched. That is, let's go ahead and swipe it and see how it blends. That blends really nicely. It does kind of dry down a little bit. That is really pretty. I think that would go really well with that YSL gloss that we got in the other box. Next we have Charmacy Global Multi-Chrome Liner, and this retails for $21. Now, I really like this brand a lot. Some liners I can't really use a lot because they irritate my eyes. I have really sensitive eyes and skin, but I love their stuff. I'm definitely going to give this a try. This is the color. So this could actually go over top of solid colors. So let's see what it looks like swatched. So I kind of spread it out a little bit so you could see it. You could do fine lines, but I didn't really want to do a fine line just so you can see it. But yeah, you could go right over top your eyeshadow. You can go over top another liner to make it more dimensional. I think that's really pretty. I think this would be really nice as an under eye liner. Like, you can do it on the top, but I think if you do it without anything under it, as under the eyes by itself, and then like maybe you do it like a purple top liner and then put that over it, I think that would be really pretty. Next we have Eyeshadow Base Primer by Beauty Creations. These are $6 each. So we have TFTI and $6. This is Cupcake, $6, and Jelly, also $6. So yeah, that's pretty impressive. I've never tried different color primers before. I've tried the white one, and I think I did try like maybe one color before, but my hooded eyes and the way my crease gets a little wet and stuff, it doesn't always wear well. But I kind of want to experiment with these and see what I can do with it. This is a weekend try thing because I don't need to go to work with yellow eyes. Last thing in this box is Medusa's makeup. This is Creamy Bullet Lipstick, which retails for $14. And this is in shade Tamed. Now, I've tried a few things from this brand, and believe it or not, most of them came through that box, which is amazing because I was really wanting to try their stuff. And I actually really like this brand. And this is a color that I would wear as well. Okay, so this is the color swatched. It is very pretty. It also is a little sheer. Not too much. Anyways, I think it's a really pretty color. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. It's really nice. We are moving on to the last box. This is Boxy Charm by Ipsy. It comes looking like this. The prices are not in this box. There is always a pamphlet, but the pamphlet doesn't give me prices, and I really don't know if anyone really ever looks at it, but there is this. The first thing we have is Yesena Lip Oil. This is in shade Pink Shine. I really do love lip oils. I like moist, soft lips, so I'm always good with anything along those lines. This is what it looks like. Looks very sheer. It said pink, but I wasn't really expecting it like this. This is almost like a candy apple pink color, if that's appropriate. It almost looks red to me, so let's see what it looks like on the skin. Okay, so on the skin it actually does look pink. It's a very light sheer pink. It is really pretty. and it has kind of a strawberry scent to it, which is really nice as well. Next we have a scalp mask by Style Dry. Now I've never tried a scalp mask. I've used hair mask and I've used scalp scrubs, but not a scalp mask. So I'm not really sure about this. I don't know how to feel about it. It says it has aloe vera and hyaluronic acid in it, so I would assume it's very moisturizing for your scalp and your hair. But again, I don't know how I feel about this. I guess we'll see. Maybe I should come back later and tell you about it since it is such a unique product. Let me know what you want down below. Next we have Feel Probiotic Moisturizer. I don't know anything about this. I have used probiotic skincare before and it did really well and nicely for my skin, so I'd assume that this would do well too. But it says it protects the skin, reduces fine lines, which I would like, and increases skin elasticity, which is something I need because I am in my 40s and these are all issues in your 40s. This is from What's Up Beauty. This is, I'm not sure how to say this, Rose Hippity Matte Liquid Blush. This is in the shade Osana, I think that's right. This is a nice generous tube, and this color is really pretty. I think it's going to go really nice with the lip oil because it is a nice pink color. Let's see what it looks like on the skin. Well, this is different. It comes packaged like that. It has like plastic on it so you can't push down. So let's open. So I've had a few blushes that have these on it, and I actually like it because you just kind of stamp it on. Okay, so it twists, and I didn't catch that until now. So you actually twist this on to use it, and then you twist it when you're done. Okay, so I stamped it a couple times on my skin. I like this because it's not a super bold pink. It's a nice soft pink. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't dry down super quick, but it does dry. Does blend nicely. I think that's a really pretty complementary color. Last item in all the boxes is from Ofra Cosmetics. This is a midi palette in Blossom Blush. So there are 3 shades in this. It says it has Satin Pink, Pillow Talk, and Paradise Pink. This is the palette. Okay, I really like these colors. I think I'm going to use these. So I'm going to swatch them. Here are the colors. These are very soft, pretty, subtle blushes. I actually like them quite a bit. I'm not sure that, I don't think that's meant to be a blush. I think that's meant to be a highlighter, but it does complement it very well. I think those are really pretty colors. I'm pretty sure I'm going to use these because they're just really lovely. But that is it of my boxes. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know your thoughts down below. I'm always interested to hear your thoughts. If you like this content, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.